1914, so similar vintage to the Avro 504 plane. It really was way ahead of its time. Actually, I can give you a very interesting link between these two aircraft. The Bristol Scout was used by No.208 to shoot down 3 German aircraft and win the Victoria Cross. But he used a very distinctive mounting for the gun, which might have done under an angle to avoid the propeller shell. The man who designed the mounting for it was a sergeant in the squadron called Elton. Absolutely.
Yeah, it was reckoned that with a full drum of ammo, a few would strike the propeller, not a few holes in the protection. Cylinder, 80 horsepower rotary up front, giving a top speed of about 82 knots. So 374.
Very much the equivalent of the Mosquito in the Second World War. They were very trained in flying over the German lines, particularly austere with the German officers were taking their lady friends out for lunch on a Sunday. 22 squadrons flying over, which really annoyed a few people. But they had range, they had the power.
Ground party, cross runway 20.
Albert Ball was another pilot who got in the Scout. For some inexplicable reason, my dentist's waiting room has got a mural of a Scout. There's a newborn, and Albert Ball in the cockpit. And I thought, you must be an aviation enthusiast. You know, it's like sitting there in the dentist chair and you try and ask a question, and it's also, like this, because you can't actually get any words out because there's a ton of metalwork in your mouth. And he just shook his head. He understood what I said, but he wasn't interested in planes at all. So no idea why they've got them up on the wheels, as murals on the wall in my dentist's waiting room. Country life while you're waiting there.
The thing that distinguished Albert Ball was that although he was felt to be not a particularly good pilot, he was actually more kind and he could pick up from great distances and able to make the advantage. All the views on the the Bristol Fighter, if I can say. Incident, I talked about Sergeant Powell being a rear gunner. There were 2 others, basically 22 Squadron, who were renowned for this. An Italian called Tom Knoll, who had 4 victories, and Sergeant Michael in 22. And the point is made in the article about it, which is Cross and Cockade, which I remember, is that you needed to have very powerful shoulders to actually twist the gun into the slipstream and aim it accurately. So very important skills to have, and very important muscles to have as well.
You mentioned filmmaker Peter Jackson. Of course, he's got an army of skilled technicians who build sets and special effects and things for him, and when they're not involved working in the film industry, he keeps them gainfully employed. building replica aircraft and restoring originals to flying condition, and has gained an enviable reputation around the world for the quality of the workmanship.
Well, when Gene DeMarco was here, he was saying they had a formation of 3 SE5s, all built by Peter Jackson. And he landed because he realised he'd got an oil problem. And when he spoke to the other two, very nice to see the Bristol fighter safely down.